Nehu Vice-Chancellor Professor Shankar Shukla on Wednesday reaffirmed that he will not be stepping down from his role, as his appointment was made by the President of India, who holds the authority to make any decisions regarding his tenure. In response to demands for the removal of several key officials, Shukla clarified that such removal cannot occur through arbitrary decisions. These officials were appointed through a formal, rigorous selection process governed by standard procedures, not personal discretion. Shukla expressed his willingness to initiate a dialogue with student representatives to address their concerns.
My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything, the teaching union is not. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the Nehu students. What will be the consequences if it is going for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter, to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms.